Hello guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? Hello sa inyong lahat all over the world, saan ka man sulok ng mundo. Nandito tayo ngayon para batiin natin ang ating mahal na Ma'am Christy Anching ng happy birthday. Ma'am Christy, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is, of course, first of all, good health. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year this coming New Year. And may God bless you. And Ma'am Christy, enjoy your birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan. And more surprises to come on your birthday, Ma'am Christy. And thank you nga pala ulit, Ma'am Christy, sa mga support ninyo sa akin ni Sir Lee. Especially during my live. Grabe talaga ang support ninyo. Hindi talaga matatawaran ang support nyo sa akin. Kaya love you, Ma'am Christy and Sir Lee. Sana maging masaya ang buong pamilya and good health talaga sa inyong lahat. Naging bahagi na kayo ng buhay ko. Maraming salamat. And again, Ma'am Christy, happy birthday. And good luck sa coming year 2024. Oo. And sana maging masaya lang tayong lahat and good health lang. And again, Ma'am Christy, happy birthday. Pasensya na kasi medyo paalis na kami ngayon. Minamadali ko lang kasi wala na akong time gumawa ng greetings. Kaya medyo haggard. Okay, Ma'am Christy. Bye-bye, Ma'am Christy. Sir Lee, thank you so much. Mama, love you all. And happy birthday again, Ma'am Christy. Enjoy. Bye-bye.